Hello student, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Student, today we are going to study class 9 states problem set 1 and question number 6. We are going to study question number 6. Student, this question in your textbook, this is wrong. So we have corrected your question according to the answer. So in the class, question number 6 is, in a class 8 students out of 28 have only dog as their pet animal at home. 6 students have only cat as their pet animal at home, and 10 students have dog and cat both. So then how many students do not have a dog or a cat as their pet animal at home? So student, there are how many students? 28 students. So we'll suppose solution. In a class there are 28 students. Okay, student, in a class there are 28 students. So we will write, suppose the set of students in a class, suppose, what will suppose? Suppose the set of students, suppose the set of students in your class is U. Clear, student? So the set of students in your class is what? U. So therefore number of U is what, student? Number of U is 28. Clear, student? So number of U is what? 28. Now in the question, in a class 8 students out of 28 have only dog as their pet animal. Here only, what is the meaning of only, student? I want to show you by using Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram, student. Universal set. This is set A, this is set B. Only 8 students. So this will be 8, and 6 students have only cat. So this is what's only 6 students, and intersection is given to you, student. 10 students have dog and cat both. So that is A intersection B is what, student? 10. So from the Venn diagram, this is very clear, student. How we find the number of A? So number of A will be this total, student. This total will be number of A. That is what, 8 plus 10. So this will be what, 16. And what will be, student, number of B? So number of B is what, student? Number of B is 10 plus 6 or 6 plus 10. So this will be what? So this will be 18, and 6 plus 10, this will be 16. Clear, student? And what you have to find? You have to find out how many students do not have dog or cat as their pet animal at home. It means you have to find this part. You are going to find this part. And U is total is what, student? Total is 28. Clear? Okay, fine. So how will find then? We'll find number of A union B, student. So what will be number of A union B? Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Clear? what will be number of A union B? Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So this will be what, student? Number of A union B, and this is equal to what? What is number of A? Number of A is 18 plus number of B is what, student? 16 minus number of A intersection B is what, student? 10. So this will be total. This will be 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3, 34, minus 10. So this will be what, student? 24. Number of A union B is equal to what, student? 24. So how many students do not have dog or a cat as their pet animal at home? So you will go for universal set, and we know that number of U is 28. So you will find students do not have dog or cat as a pet animal at home is equal to what? Number of U minus number of A union B. Okay, student. Student do not have dog or cat as a pet animal at home. So this will give you what? Number of U minus number of A union B. So what is number of U? 28 minus number of A union B is what, student? 24. So this will be what? 4. So we'll say that 4 students do not have dog or cat as a pet animal. So student, this is what? This is by using the Venn diagram. Now student, we will solve without using Venn diagram. So in a class there are 28 students. Suppose the set of students in your class is U, so number of U is what, student? 28. Now let A be the set of students who have dog as a pet animal. And B is the set of students, or number of students who have cat as their pet animal. Okay, student. What we will consider? Suppose A be the set of students who have dog as a pet animal, and B is the students who have cat as their pet animal. Now student, so what will be the number of A? So number of A student, number of A is equal to what? Students have only dog as their pet animals. Okay, number of A is equal to students have only dog as their pet animal plus number of A intersection B. So this will be equal to what, student? How many students having dog as their pet animal? So 8 students. have only dog as their pet animal, plus number of A union B, and number of A union B is what, student? 10. So this will be what? 10 plus 8, 18. Clear, student? Similarly, we will find out number of B. So number of B is what? Number of B is, students have only cat as their pet animal, plus number of A intersection B. So how many students have only cat? Only cat as their pet animal. So 6 students have only cat as their pet animal. So this will be what, 6, and plus number of A intersection B means students, they are having both dog as well as cat. So this is what, number of A intersection B. I have like here number of A intersection B is what, student? 10. Clear? Means students have both. Students have both. That is number of A intersection B is what? 10. So you write number of B is equal to, students have only cat as their pet animal, plus number of A intersection B, and number of A intersection B is what, student? 10. So you will get, student, what? 16. Clear? So you will get 16. Now student, now you will find by using the formula number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now student, what is number of A? Number of A is what, 18, plus what is number of B? Number of B is what, student? 16, minus number of A intersection B, that is what, student? 10. So this will be what? This will be 8 and 6, 14, and carry 1 and 1 and 2 and 1, 3, 34 minus 10. So this will be what, student? 24. So student, you will get number of A union B is 24, and then we will find, student, how many students do not have a dog or a cat as their pet animal. So you will go for universal set. Means total number of students. Total number of students is 28. 28 minus 24. So how many students do not have? So we get 4 is the answer. So right here, students who do not have dog or cat as their pet animal. Okay, student. Student do not have dog or cat as their pet animal is equal to number of U minus number of A union B. So number of U is what, student? 28. 28 minus 24. So answer is 4. So you will write 4 students do not have dog or cat as their pet animal. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
So okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.